Hello, my dear students. How are you? I think all of you are fine and you are practicing mathematics attentively. At first, before starting my class, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel and I request the students, those who have not subscribed my channel till now, I request them to subscribe my channel to get more and latest updated videos. Okay, now I I'm going to start my class, and today I will discuss about the question uh, and I will solve the question which is included in the third chapter of the class 10 mathematics, that is pair of linear equation into variable, and the axis is 3.3, question number is 35. Let us see what is the question is given. Okay, the question is given that the 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present age? Now, here two persons there. One is Jacob and another is his son. That is, this is two term, okay, and this unknown term, and we have to find out the age, present age of them. What is their present age? Okay, and two conditions also given, and we have to make two equations using these two conditions. Okay, now let us consider two variables for this for the present age of this two person. Okay, now we solve it, and we have to use substitution method to solve the equation. Okay, now let us consider the present age of z equal to x and the present age of his son equal to y. Okay, we have considered two variables for the present age of Jacob and the present age of his son. Now two conditions are given. What is the first question? Now we see according to the question. The first condition is given the 5 years hence, that means after 5 years. Then we have to think that what will be the age after 5 years. Suppose if we consider the present age of Jacob is 30 years, then after 5 years then we have to add 5 with the present age. Okay, and if we consider, then we will get 35. Okay? If we consider the present age of Jacob is 45, then what will be the age of Jacob after 5 years? Okay, then we will add 5 years with the present age, then we get 50 years. Okay, now here the present age of Jacob is x, then what will be the age after 5 years of Jacob? Then we have to add 5 with x. Okay, now the age of Jacob 5 years hence means after 5 years. If it is given hence, later or after, then we have to add this year, this year with the present age. Okay, now after 5 years the age of Jacob will be x plus 5, and what is given? The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. That means after 5 years the age of Jacob will be, the present age of Jacob will be increased, and similarly with this the age of son also be increased. Then the after 5 years the Jacob age will be x plus 5, and the after 5 years the age of his son will be y plus 5. Okay, then the condition is given that the Jacob age will be 3 times of his son, and it will be equal to the 3 times of his son. This is the age of Jacob after 5 years, and this is the age of his son after 5 years, and this age will be 3 times of this age. Okay, now we have to make an linear equation of the 5. Now we have to multiply. After multiplying this, then we get 3y plus 15. Now we have to find out the value of x, because we have to solve this equation, this problem, with the help of substitution method. Okay, according to substitution method, we have to find any one of the variable from the first equation. Now we will find the value of x. So here we write x, and we have to shift 5 to the right hand side. Then it will become 15 minus 5. Then we get x equal to 3y, and this will be plus 10. 15 minus 5 will be equal to 10. Now we have got the value of x is 3y plus 10. Then we give this equation as equation number 1. Now we see that what is the second condition given. 5 years ago, before this, the first condition was that the 5 years after. So we have added it. Okay, now it is given 5 years ago. If it is given ago, then we have to subtract this year from the present age. Okay, now 5 years ago the Jacob age was 7 times that of his son. Then what will be the age of what was the age of Jacob before 5 years? Then we have to subtract. Suppose if we consider the present age of Jacob is 42, then what was the age of Jacob before 5 years? Then we subtract 5 from the present age. Then we get 37. Okay, like this. Now the present age of Jacob is 5. Then 5 years ago, what was his age? That means x minus 5. We have to subtract 5 years from his present age. Then again the equation will be, now 5 years ago the age of Jacob was x minus 5. Similarly, his son also, the age of his son also decreases. Then age of his son was 5 minus 5, and the condition is given that the Jacob age was 7 times of his son. That means we have to multiply 7 with the age of his son. Okay, this will be equal. That means the Jacob age will be equal when 7 is multiplied with the age of his son. Okay, this is the age of Jacob, and this is the age of this is the age of Jacob before 5 years. That is 5 years ago, and this is the age of his son 5 years ago, before 5 years. Okay, now we have to multiply. After multiplying this, then we get 7y minus 5. If we shift 5 to the left side, then we get 7y minus 35 plus 5. Now we get x will be equal to 7y minus 30, and we will give this equation as equation number 2. Now we have to substitute the value of x from 1 to the equation 2. Then what we get? Substituting x equal to 3y plus 10 in 2. We get here the equation number 2 is given that x equal to 7y minus 30. Here we have to put the value of x 3y plus 10 here. Okay, and we get 3y plus 10 equal to 7y minus 3. 7y minus 30. Okay. Now we have to shift 7y to the left hand side, then it will become minus 7y. Now here minus 30, and we have to shift 10 plus into the right hand side, then it will become minus 10. And here we get minus 4y equal to, and this will become minus 40. Okay, from the both sides the minus sign will be cancelled out, then we get the value of y will be equal to 40 by 4. The value of y equal to 10. That means we have got the present age of his son. Now we have to find out the value of x, which is the present age of Jacob. Okay. Now we have to substitute the value of y in the second equation. Substituting y to be 10 in 1 is then we can put the value of y in any other one of the equation. From equation we can put the value of y in equation 1, and we can put the value of y in equation 2 also. Okay. Now here we substitute the value of y in equation 1, then what we get? We see here the equation 1 is x equal to 3y plus 10. Okay. Now here we have to put the value of y. So value of y is 10. That means 3 into 10 plus 10, that it will become 30 plus 10, then it is equal to 40. Now since we have considered x as the present age of Jacob and y as the present age of his son, now we have got the value of x is 40 and y is 10. Then now we have to write, therefore the required age of equal to 40, because this was x, so the value of x is 40, then the value of the present age of Jacob will be equal to 40 years. Okay. And the present age of his son equal to, this was y and the value of y is 10, then the present age of son is equal to 10 years. Okay. Now using substitution method we have got the answer, that is the present age of Jacob and his son. Okay. Now I hope that all of you have understood easily and clearly how you have felt, how you have satisfied with this video. Please comment me. Okay, then I will be happy, and if satisfied then you like and share as possible. Okay, and thank you for watching my video.